Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? Today I introduce a important gadget. I buy this from the Timo. This situation in the Middle East, I think this one very important for us. This one kinds of self-rechargeable radio, torch, and USB charger. When I saw advertise in the Facebook, I ordered this one because I think this one important in this situation. So this one so much important for everyone. I think for everyone this one so much important. Look this set radio, this one tune channels, and this one volume plus on off button. This one band, 3 band is here, WB, FM and AM. Here solar charger. Here this one switch for light. Here 3 lights, 3 LED power LED lights, and this one is the main features. You no need to charge from the electricity. So why I buy this? I buy this one for this system. Okay, if you rotate it, inside have generator, dynamo like this thing, and making power supply, DC power, and make charge battery, and you can use it long time, and you can charge anytime. And why I buy this? As I buy this one as a security mean because in the Middle East situation is now stable, but maybe if USA attack in the Iran and destroy Iranian electricity plants, water plants, and other so many things, then Iran cannot stop. Iran also can destroy in the Middle East every country power plant and water plant, then other so many things. So if power plant destroyed, then what can we do? So I think this one is the better solution, because in this situation, in present situation, electricity is the most important. This one cannot generate so much power, but it can give little power, and we can use radio, so we can listen news for information, and you can use light. And if no power, then we can charge mobile phone from here. Look, this for charging, and this one for charge to mobile phone, and like same USB charging devices you can charge from here, and it's will charge from this. Okay, so this I think good gadget in this time. Also here I have one antenna. Look, like as radio, old radio, but this good radio. I show this one volume plus on a button. Look, listen the sound.
पीछे 50 मीटर से कम फासला बनाए रखने से आपको ट्रैफिक वायलेशन का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। ड्राइविंग के वक्त सतर्क रहिए और दूसरों का ख्याल रखना हम सब की जिम्मेदारी है। FM 1
إذاعة صوت الإسلام يسحبونهم في الماء الحار وأيضا يوقدون أيضا في النار، فهذا معنى هذان مع بعضهما البعض أولى، والله تعالى أجل وأعلم. مرء
وطهران.
So main thing is radio. It's wire situation. In the wire situation, this radio is so much important. Also so much important, little power for mobile charging, for lighting, using at night. So I think this one great gadget in this time. If any country wire situation, you can buy this product, and if you move it, look, this one can move. Let's finish. Very nice gadget. Okay, this one for this charging from electrical mobile charger, and this manual books, how can you use it, how can you use this, full information is in these books. Also have so much sound here, very good sound.
മുന്നേറ്റത്തെയാണ് ഇത്
تمنيات أكيد بالتوفيق لمنتخبنا الوطني اللي غادرنا طبعا وتوجه لإيرلندا لخوض.
So I think this one good gadget in this time. Okay, for watching. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all. Goodbye.